Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Team Standout is back with another brand new video for you all. Today we will talk about interactive content marketing ideas that you can leverage to drive massive engagement for your business. Interactive content is any type of content that helps generate user interaction rather than passive viewing in order to make an important statement. It is a great way to attract visitors to your site and get them talking about it. Not only does interactive content make for an impressive experience, but it can also deliver business value by driving high-quality leads to your business. There are different types of interactive content like polls, quizzes, video experiences, and even high-touch activities offline. These content types will help you in driving good brand engagement and nurturing long-term relationships with your customers. Now, let's talk about a few interactive content marketing ideas. Number 1, quiz. Creating a quiz may be the most feasible format of interactive content, which will increase your audience engagement. It is very effective because it's fun and highly shareable. A quiz lets participants share their results with friends and family and challenge them to do better. It is a smart way of gauging audience interests, their behavior on specific topics, or their likes and dislikes. By using tools such as Quizmaker and SurveyMonkey, you can create interactive content for your audience. They're great because they allow for quick responses that the readers can easily pinpoint. Number 2, infographics. Infographics can give your data a more appealing visual appearance. There are many ways you can customize the infographic to make it all the more attractive. Try to add interactive elements into the material so that readers can take part in it and make it more engaging. Elements like interactive buttons, facts, and statistics can drive a huge engagement for your business. You can level up your infographics game by creating a skyscraper version and making it interactive. Interactive infographics are a fantastic way of taking a concept that could work as a static idea and turning it into something engaging that adds life to what could otherwise be more mundane. Number 3, games. There are lots of different formats of interactive content, but games are probably one of the most popular ones. The problem is that it can get expensive to set one in motion. The custom development and design put high costs on making one. Great games can help you generate engagement, create a buzz on social media, collect user data, create good PR, and so on. There's not much content that can fulfill multiple goals simultaneously. Once you have a great idea and provide the results to back up your investment, it's a good way to set yourself apart from your competitors. The next one is calculators. These online tools are often used by e-commerce companies and automotive brands to help their customers estimate, evaluate, and compare the costs of various product features or service options. Calculators can be a great way to add another layer of entertainment for your customers in an increasingly digital world. It's becoming more important than ever to find new ways of connecting with people online and focus their attention on your brand. Using calculators or tools is a great way to not only build links for your business, but also get more engagement and leads. Number 5, surveys and polls. Polls and surveys are some of the most popular types of interactive content out there, and for good reason. They're quick and easy to set up, and can get you valuable feedback from your audience to help improve your business. The data that you'll be able to garner from your audience is not always just things like reviews, feedback, and profiling. It could be audience insights, demographics, interests, absolutely anything. Offering a suitable incentive would likely increase the number of people willing to complete surveys for your business. We suggest a proper prize draw or discount coupons from popular brands to keep things interesting. Lastly, interactive emails. Statistics show that interactive email content can increase the click-to-open rate by 73%, and incorporating videos into your emails can drive click rates upwards by 300%. So many other brands and businesses are vying for the target audience's attention these days. It's up to you to make them feel special. Adding interactive elements with relevant topics will help you stand out from the bandwagon and increase your brand recall value. For example, sending a game to your mailing list is a great way to engage with customers via email and create something fun and memorable. You can even do a spin the wheel contest and provide gift vouchers, free products, or discounts on special occasions. The more trust your customers have in you, the more likely they are to listen to what you recommend. That's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like these. Please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now.